Starting December 10, 2025, drivers of electric BMWs finally have access to the expansive Tesla Supercharger network, adding more than 25,000 new charging points across the United States. This instantly improves charging flexibility for owners of the BMW i4, X, and other EVs from the German automaker. It's a big step toward making long-distance travel easier for non-Tesla electric cars. Tesla's proprietary connector has quickly become the new standard in the US, pushing the entire market toward a unified charging experience. BMW confirmed the network access is effective immediately, meaning drivers can already see all available Tesla Supercharger locations directly in their vehicle's SatNav and in the My BMW application. Like most industry transitions, this one comes with a small, temporary hiccup. Current electric BMWs are built with the older CCS charge port, which is different from the NACS used by Tesla's V3 and V4 superchargers. To connect to these stations, owners will need a CCS to NACS adapter. Third-party adapters are on the market today, and the official, guaranteed BMW accessories won't arrive until the second quarter of 2026. That wait, while slightly annoying for those who want immediate, fully supported access, is a short-term issue that the company is working on. For drivers who cannot wait for the official hardware, there are immediate options. Any BMW EV can charge immediately without any extra equipment at one of Tesla's less common, Magic Dock, locations. These special stations come with a built-in CCS adapter, allowing any vehicle to plug and play right away. BMW confirmed it will begin integrating native NACS ports, eliminating the need for an adapter entirely, starting with the 2026 BMW i5 M60.